Hey guys, DT Gaming here. So we're gonna do an unboxing of the thing, a set we got for the grill here. So this is a Grilljoy high quality barbecue tool set. Anything in English here? Yeah. It's supposed to be a 30-piece set. So it comes in this nice case here. So we got a tongs.
The hell's this? Oh, a thermometer?
Mm-hmm.
I smell skunk. Somebody sprawled one. What the Sam Hill is this?
Alright, sorry about that guys. I was trying to do this video and got interrupted. So we got a meat tomorrow here. I'm just gonna throw all this garbage in here. I probably need a battery for sure in here. Open. Let's see here. On. Oh, okay, there's a battery in it. Alright, good. There's a little salt and pepper shaker right here. Tiny little thing. This right here is a wired brush to clean the grill. It's got a blade here too, so I want to be careful with that. They gave us a extra brush here, so when that gets dirty, we can clean that. Put that aside. There's also a meat injector here. You can like marinate your food. I'm not gonna take this out of the package, so it's not gonna be using this, but you can see what it is. You can see inside that the needle is in there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. They're a brush right here. So this is for these are metal straws. So this metal brush right here must be able to clean the straws out with. This is a barbecue brush. You can brush your the meat with barbecue or marinate stuff like that. Skewers. These, like, if you want to do like shish kebabs and that, these are what you do. You can use for them. So that's, you got 4 of them. We got these tongs right here. Got a nice grip right there, actually. These are all stainless steel, so they can't rust. And given a glove too. Honestly, I don't think I will use this thing. I mean, it fits. I don't know if it's heat. I mean, you'd think it would be heat resistant, right? They don't get burnt. It's got nice grips on it, so it don't, you know, it's not slippery. That's pretty cool. Then we got a knife right here. Nice, it's straighted. I don't know how sharp this is, so I can't really test it. Usually, when you got a knife, you test it with paper, see how sharp it is. But yeah, we're gonna not mess with that. And then there's this spatula right here. I mean, look at this thing. Not sharp, but they got jagged edges right here. And to what I'm thinking, that this is a bottle opener for like glass tops, like, or like beer or something like that. And this is the meat fork that you use. So yeah, that's actually a pretty good set so far from what I could see. And these are for corn on the cob, I think. You put these on the end of the corn, and I don't know why you would do that, but yeah, these are what these are, for corn on the cob. Okay, so got this nice case here. They don't eat that. This says throw away, do not eat. I mean, common sense, right? So I'm gonna lay everything on the table here so we get an idea what we all got. So here for now. No, I'm gonna go ahead and open this actually. Unfortunately, this doesn't have anything to close this with, so that remains open. So that's everything that come with the set. There's supposed to be 30 pieces here, so I don't know. Alright guys, so this is everything. 30 pieces. Got the tongs, got the skewers, metal brush, thermometer, spatula, knife, the meat fork, these things for the corn on the cob, rubber glove, or I think silicone glove, barbecue brush, and metal straws, and salt shaker and pepper shaker, and an extra one of the brushes. Anyway guys, so that's everything. Anyway guys, hope you guys like the video. Guys do, hit that like button, I appreciate it, and I thank you all for watching. Bye guys.